Claire, and welcome to the National Speech Center. Today, I will be asking my assistant on the topic of speech. Without further ado, Aaron.
Locksmiths?
Aha. Locksmiths. I'd say a rather underrated part of the culture today, because we don't think about it much when we're rushing from place to place, locking our doors behind us. We don't really realize how much it helps us, the locksmiths of America. And we really just take it for granted because you don't realize how important they are until your house gets robbed. Or for instance, you lock your keys in the car, or something of that nature. So, I feel as though it is important to acknowledge the locksmiths of America today, because although you don't realize it much, they are America's true heroes. They help shape this country. They help keep it safe and secure. And that is what matters most in this country, is safety first. We want to keep our own nation safe. And I feel like locksmiths help quite a bit with that in America. Thank you. And thank you to all the locksmiths.